Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to link a bank account to PayPal. Open up PayPal in a web browser. On its homepage, you can see the link a card or bank account option on the right side of the page. Then click on Payment Method from the top menu bar. Now click on the Link a Card or Bank option. You can choose bank accounts or debit or credit card options. Click on the Link a Bank Account option. Choose the Bank Details option, then enter your bank details here. Enter your bank name, select state, city, branch location, IFSC code, account number. Account number should have 1 to 30 digits number in it. After putting all the information of your bank, click to link your bank. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.